model, 2014 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 TDI Highline long MOT needs gearbox good spec. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 165696. MOT, 20 May 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox has been removed due to a gearbox problem. The gearbox is in the back of the van and will need repairing or replacing. Straightforward. Repair engines 100% all parts professionally removed. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095. Click the link in the description for pictures.